Welcome to your channel, Light of Guidance.
The pillars of faith in Islam. In Islam, there are 6 fundamental pillars that form the basis of faith. They are matters that a Muslim must believe in within their heart. They can be compared to the core principles that shape a Muslim's view of life and existence. 1. Belief in Allah. Islam believes in one God, the creator of the universe and everything in it. This God is perfect in all attributes, merciful, and just, with no partner or equal. Core idea: there is a single source of life and the universe, and He alone is worthy of worship. 2. Belief in the angels. In Islam, angels are light-based creations that cannot be seen. They were created to carry out God's commands, such as delivering revelations or recording human deeds. Core idea: there is an unseen world of creations that operate under the Creator's command. 3. Belief in the divine books. Islam believes that God sent down scriptures to guide humanity throughout history, such as the Torah to Moses, the Gospel to Jesus, and the Quran to Muhammad, peace be upon him. The Quran is the final book and is preserved from alteration. Core idea: God sent written guidance to humanity through His prophets. 4. Belief in the messengers. Islam believes that God sent messengers to every nation to teach them monotheism and the truth. Among them are Noah, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and Muhammad, peace be upon him. Core idea: God sends human role models to convey and clarify His message. 5. Belief in the last day. This is the belief that there is life after death, where there will be judgment and recompense, paradise for the faithful and righteous, and hell for the disbelievers and wrongdoers. Core idea: life on earth is a temporary stage, followed by the day of judgment. 6. Belief in divine decree, qadar, both good and bad. This is the belief that everything that happens in the universe is by God's knowledge and decree, while humans still retain free will in their choices. Core idea: nothing happens without God's knowledge, but humans are responsible for their decisions. I will put this to you in the form of a story that may be closer to your hearts. The story of Ahmed and his journey to understanding life. Imagine a young man named Ahmed who always wondered, who am I? Why am I here? And what happens after I die? He began a journey to find the truth and discovered 6 essential principles. 1. Belief in God, the great creator. Ahmed realized that the universe, with all its precision and beauty, could not have appeared by chance. Just as you would never see a smartphone and think it made itself, the universe must have a wise designer. This designer is God. 1. Perfect, merciful, and just. 2. Belief in angels, unseen messengers. Ahmed learned that there are unseen creations called angels. Just like Wi-Fi waves you can't see but can see their effects, angels carry out God's commands, such as delivering revelations or recording people's deeds. 3. Belief in the scriptures, messages from the Creator. Ahmed discovered that God did not leave humanity without guidance. He sent divine books filled with light and instructions. The Torah, the Psalms, the Gospel, and finally the Quran, which has remained unchanged since its revelation. They are like a user's manual, but for human life. 4. Belief in the messengers, role models on earth. God sent human messengers to explain His guidance, such as Noah, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and Muhammad, peace be upon him. They are like teachers who guide you step by step on how to live a good and purposeful life. 5. Belief in the last day, the next stage. Ahmed learned that this life is not the end. After death, there is another life with a fair judgment. Paradise is a reward for the righteous, and hell is a consequence for the wrongdoers. It's like a school exam: you study, you are tested, and then you receive your results. 6. Belief in destiny, God's plan. Ahmed understood that everything in the universe happens with God's knowledge, whether good or bad. But humans still have free will and are responsible for their choices. It's like a game with a fixed map, but the player chooses which path to take. Summary: these 6 principles helped Ahmed see life clearly. He now knows where he came from, why he is here, and where he is going.